Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Come on, this will go home where you can see every couple try. Let's just stop.
Merry Christmas!
So I finished all their names. Looks kind of shitty, but whatever, we can roll with it. I did not use a pen. That was my mistake. Very upset about it because I went... Now I don't know how to take that off. So I'm definitely gonna have to go over this a few times, but I'm loving how this looks kind of like chalk, you know, how it kind of looks like written, and then this is like nice and pretty. So what do you think? I think it looks so stinking cute. Hey, you being loud. Next thing I wanted to do tonight, I'm gonna color my hair. So a few disclaimers before we start. I know I shouldn't be doing this on my own, but to each their own. Go ahead and judge me. Always wear a glove. I'm using very dark hair color. Yeah, I already have it mixed. I did half a bottle right now. I'm sure I'm gonna be needing another half because my hair likes to soak up color like it's, yeah. So I'm gonna get started. I'm just gonna like speed through this. I'm not really gonna explain what I'm doing, I guess. Just doing like a single hair color, bleaching my hair, like highlighting it or doing something intricate. Like I'm just doing a straight color all over my hair. Super easy. I'll be fine. Let's get started.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls again.
So I'm done. I'm basically just going to, this is why you wear two gloves, because I mean I don't really care, but do as I say, not as I do, please and thank you. But yeah, I'm just gonna let this sit for like 45 minutes. Okay, so as I'm waiting for my hair to get done, there's this like loud alarm going off and Ollie is freaking out. You freaking out? So as I was filming that, my actual like alarm went off to go wash my hair. So I'm gonna go wash my hair. I was starting to like edit a video, but my computer was acting super stupid. My little sign up. I think it's cute. I think it makes it look more like full. I don't know. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's the cutest thing ever.
With no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
This stupid like storm. It's not even that bad right now actually. Like it's not like currently snowing, and my face looks so red because I was just shoveling snow, which is like I hate shoveling snow more than like anything ever. Ugh, I have a headache now too. Anyways, going to the store to get like things, just like emergency things, and like, in case like we can't leave later. It is so bad out. I was gonna wait to go later, like when I got Justin, but I was like, no, like I need to go now before it like starts up again. Sorry, I need to get by. No, you're fine. Thank you. Brr. So I don't think I explained to you like what's going on really. It's 9 o'clock and I went to the grocery store because we're supposed to get like a ton of snow, like 8 to 12 inches of snow. Woke up this morning and this whole place is like completely covered in snow. So that's fun, super fun. My hand's not that bad, look, cool. That's the long trucks. I think they broke like their snow blower plow thing, so that sucks. But there's like 10 cars in like this one parking lot right here. Oof. I told you guys it'd be like completely covered. Oh my gosh, I'm like sweating right now. Whew, okay. Got Justin, I basically got like Justin groceries. I got like his food, you know, so I got him his favorite like Gatorade. I love to eat these. I like can literally snack on these. Like this whole thing will probably be gone today. Like I'm going to wrap his gifts. I just got some like basics one. Our couch is blue, so, and I did gold ornaments, so I figured I'd just like go with the whole gold and blue theme. First I'm just gonna do his tiny things. Not for you. Why am I genius? Genius. Mom is such a genius. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's double-sided. Good thing Justin does not care. One down, 1, 2, 3, 4 to go. I love this song. So good. I don't know how I'm going to wrap this one, you guys. Yeah, so this is what it looks like from the back. It was just too big. Hopefully he doesn't know like what that means. So it looks so stinking cute. And then there's Ollie. What are you doing? Oh, did you just wink at me? Like out here trying to get these shots and my hair keeps getting like covered in snow. It's so pretty out. Oh. So crazy, it's coming down. it's insane. It's like in my hair. It looks so pretty. Really gross. So I spilled something on this like carpet tile and I cleaned it. Look how gross that is. I hate this carpet so much. It's like the stupidest carpet like ever. Look at this. It's literally just like so gross. So I'm going out to plow or to shovel the driveway again because it's a bitch and a half when it like piles up. Do you want to go run around in it for a second? Alright, fine. Plus it's getting dark and I'm like not in the mood for So let's go. Oh, I have my zit cream still on. Oh well. You wanted to come out here.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Insane. Ridiculous. So I'm not even like halfway done. I'm dying. I'm crying. I cried a little. And it's already coming down again. Ugh. So I'm not gonna lie, after I came back from shoveling the snow, I just like died on the couch. And then I went pee and I literally could not feel my ass on the toilet seat. Like I was so cold. Like sorry, like what I was saying is like I completely forgot I was even vlogging. Like I'm sorry, like I've done a few things and I just haven't vlogged it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching day 5 and day 6 of Vlogmas. I hope you enjoyed both of them. I'm just waiting on Justin, and honestly, if I get like footage of him coming home or anything, or me picking him up or whatever, I'll put it in day 7 just because I'm editing this and I just want to get it done. So I will see you guys in day 7. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. Bye everyone.
You're a mean one, Mr.